Hi everyone, welcome back to Monaco, the world's second smallest state, where real estate prices often reach higher than the skyscrapers themselves. Have you ever looked up at these balconies and wondered who actually lives there and what does it look like on the inside? Well, today we're skipping the usual sightseeing for an exclusive look behind the scenes. We've got 3 incredible properties to show you. A prime spot apartment in the heart of Monte Carlo, a hidden gem just across the border that offers a better view for a fraction of the cost, and a dream villa with pool and garden 10 minutes from the Principality. So whether you're actually looking for your next home or just here to soak up the Mediterranean lifestyle and satisfy your curiosity, this tour is for you. First up, a place right in the heart of Monaco. And don't let the facade fool you, this is a hidden luxury pad just around the corner from the casino. It's a sunny Friday morning in March. Anya and I are meeting up with Alex again, our go-to local real estate expert. But before we head into property number 1, we wanted to get a real feel for its neighborhood. Strolling through these streets with the mountains on one side and the sea on the other, you'd never guess that the real estate here averages around 60,000 euros per square meter. But hey, this is Monaco, and the Principality plays by its own rules. Everywhere you look, there's this striking contrast between picturesque Belle Epoque gems and, well, let's just say some less than pretty high-rises. Then again, it's not just the casino and its lush green gardens right around the corner. You've got charming boutiques and perfect spots for a quick espresso to go or a sunny terrace lunch. Plus, the train station is only a 5-minute walk away, meaning you can zip over to Nice or Menton whenever you want without ever getting stuck in traffic. Here's the deal, apartment number 1 is located right in the heart of Monaco's famous Monte Carlo district. From here, every corner of the Principality is literally at your doorstep. Alex is already waiting for us, and yep, we're heading into Buckingham Palace. No idea why it's called that, but let's go with it. The elevator takes us up to the 6th floor, and moving from the cozy entrance to the right, we step straight into the bright, sun-drenched living area. But of course, the first thing we have to do is head straight for the balcony. I mean, how's the view from up here? Not bad at all. Even though we're not exactly front row on the water, the apartment is high enough that you can peek over the rooftops to see patches of the Mediterranean and those dramatic mountains. If you look to the right, the buildings get a bit taller, but you can still catch a glimpse of the sea. And space-wise, you could easily fit a 4-piece lounge set out here, and even a lemon tree. Now, even though you can use your balcony pretty much year-round in Monaco, let's take a look inside. The living, kitchen and dining areas are all one big open space. It's not massive, but it fits everything you need perfectly. The sleek-back kitchen really anchors the room. If you're cooking here, you're always part of the conversation. Moving over to the dining area, you're surrounded by large windows on 2 sides. And for a quick snack, you can just grab a seat at the counter instead of the main table. Anya and Alex have already found a spot, but they're out on the second balcony, which faces south right of the dining room. This balcony actually wraps around the corner to the east, and this is where you realize why it's so loud right now. The building directly across the street is having its facade renovated, and man, it is noisy. It's a temporary problem, of course, but let's be real, Monaco without a construction site just wouldn't be Monaco. Now, if you're wondering where the 2 bedrooms and bathrooms are, they're cleverly tucked away in the back for extra privacy. Both bedrooms have their own access to that wraparound balcony we just saw. All in all, you're looking at 100 square meters of living space, plus 30 square meters of balcony. If you remember that average price per square meter we mentioned earlier, the price tag of just under 7 million euros for this compact pad probably won't surprise you. The 2 chic bathrooms, one in white, one in black, definitely match that luxury feeling the price suggests. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself living here? Fun fact, anyone can actually buy a place in Monaco. You don't even have to be a resident. But you do need to pass a super strict background check. Monaco wants to know exactly where your euros are coming from. However, if you actually want to live here and get your carte de séjour, you'll need a clean criminal record and proof that you have enough funds to support yourself without a local job. Monaco is exclusive for a reason. And if you're curious to learn more about this apartment or the ones coming up next, just scan the QR code. That's where you can reach Alex and get all the details. Next up, apartment number 2. We're heading just 1.5 kilometers east. We've technically crossed into France, but we're literally right on the Monaco border. And we're about to step into an apartment very similar to the one we just saw, but for about 1/3 of the price. Even though we're in Beausoleil, the French town that practically wraps around Monaco. As a resident here, you'll likely spend most of your time in the Principality, at least whenever you're in the mood for the beach or a night out by the sea. Even for a bit of culture at the Grimaldi Forum, you're looking at a maximum 15-minute walk from here. To get down to Larvotto Beach, Anya and I spent maybe 10 minutes navigating these charming narrow stairs and hidden footpaths, plus a quick elevator ride. Right across from here, you can see the brand new Mare Terra district rising up. Honestly, it's those beachside restaurants down there that really make you want to grab a drink, right? For us, it's back up the same way we came. Alex is already waiting with the keys to our next apartment. Quick look at the map before we go in. You see Monaco right here, and just above the eastern edge of the Principality is the spot we're about to explore. This time, we're only heading up to the 2nd floor. And while the view from the front door looks back toward the mountains, can you spot the paragliders up there? The main attraction in this place is definitely the view facing the sea. And wow, what a view it is! Even though a construction crane popped up right in front of us this week, don't you worry, they're just building a low-profile villa down there, so nothing is going to block that Mediterranean blue. If you look to the right, you can see some of Monaco's tallest skyscrapers, including the famous Blue Odeon Tower. Now for the centerpiece of the apartment. Just like the last place, the entire living area here is south-facing, looking straight at the water. Both the living and dining rooms have these massive sliding glass doors that open up to the very generous balcony. Honestly, I think we'd have every single meal out here. As you can imagine, there's no shortage of natural light. And I have to say, I absolutely love this dinosaur. Not sure if he's included in the sale, but he's definitely a vibe. Unlike the first apartment, the kitchen here is separate, and actually nothing special. The view from the small windows back there looks toward the mountains. From the hallway, you reach the 3 bedrooms. There's this one with its ensuite bathroom. Bedroom number 2. And number 3. This place also features a second balcony on the side, which you can access from either the living room or 2 of the bedrooms. So what's the damage? You're looking at just under 1.8 million euros for 134 square meters. That's all the perks of Monaco at a French price point. Plus, it's incredibly peaceful up here, even though you're just a stone's throw away from the hustle and bustle of Monaco life. By the way, living here in the south of France isn't just about the home, it's about everything around it. In our Riviera bucket list PDF, we share 50 places and experiences that show what life on the Côte d'Azur is really about. You'll find it on riviera-go.com. And now we're wrapping up in beautiful Roquebrune-Cap-Martin. If you're dreaming of a private villa that has it all, the pool, the park-like garden, and that view, this is the one you've been waiting for. We're about 10 minutes by car from Monaco, in another one of the Principality's beautiful neighbors. The view from this house stretches right across the iconic Cape and out to the Mediterranean. And you're in good company here. Everyone from Coco Chanel and Karl Lagerfeld to Winston Churchill fell in love with this exact coastline. And let's not forget Eileen Gray, a true icon of modern architecture. Her legendary villa, E1027, is perched right down there on the Cape and is actually open to the public today. The old town with its impressive castle is also incredibly charming. It's small but absolutely perfect for an apéro with friends. Alright, let's take a quick look at the map and put everything into perspective. To the west, just a 10-minute drive away, is Monaco, as you know by now. And to the east, not much further, you'll find the beautiful town of Menton. Now we're dying to see what's hidden behind these gates. And look who's already waiting for us. Alex, looking as fresh as ever. Why is she always faster than us? Simple, she's on a scooter. Down here on the Riviera, 2 wheels are always better than 4 if you want to get anywhere on time. So we're just going to breeze through the house for a second and head 1 floor down because, you guessed it, we're drawn straight to the terrace. And oh my god, we're in love. You don't just get that wide open horizon, there's lush greenery everywhere you look. We absolutely adore this expansive south-facing terrace. And check this out right below, a completely independent studio apartment. It's perfect for guests or staff, and it even has its own private terrace. But wait, we aren't even done with the garden yet. No surprise when you have nearly 1,500 square meters to explore. There's also the super chic infinity pool overlooking the sea. Okay, we're already charmed. Now let's see if the interior of this fully renovated villa can keep up. Follow us inside. On the terrace level, you'll find the dining area and kitchen. The real highlight here is the glass wall that slides open to connect both spaces. And the kitchen? It ticks all the boxes. It's the kind of place that makes you actually want to be the chef. Tucked behind these stairs leading up to the living room, you'll find 2 of the 4 ensuite bedrooms. Just look at the parquet flooring that runs through the entire house. And if you look at Alex, you can see just how high the doors and ceilings are. You might not notice it on camera, but that extra volume completely changes the feel of the rooms. Now finally to the heart of the home, the living room on the upper entrance level. It's another one of those spaces where you just want to stare out the window all day. And honestly, we're a bit exhausted from our tour today, and the sofa is ultra cozy. But before we get too comfortable, let's take a quick peek at the other 2 bedrooms. The teddy bears here are definitely helping with the cuddle factor. And check out this view from the bed. What will you do? Stay under the covers all day or head straight out into nature? Of all the bathrooms in the house, the master ensuite is our favorite, featuring a stylish bathtub, a walk-in shower, and everything else you could possibly need. So, what do you think? How did you like this 250 square meter masterpiece with its smart home system and high-end luxury? Alright, we still owe you the price. You can call this home your own for 4.8 million euros. It's tucked away on a quiet residential street, even though the main road between Monaco and Menton is just a short distance away. The best of both worlds. So that's it for today. 3 completely different ways to live the dream here on the Côte d'Azur. Now we want to hear from you. Which one will you pick? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for joining Anya, Alex and me on this tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insider tours from the Riviera. See you next week.